Hello, code lovers, and welcome back. Today, we're going to tackle a fundamental concept in JavaScript: data types. Think about it. You can't do math with a word, and you can't treat a number like a sentence. They're different things. In programming, we constantly need to convert values from one type to another to make them work together. There are two ways this happens: type conversion and type coercion. Let's break them down. Conversion is when you are the boss. You explicitly tell JavaScript, change this value into a number. But coercion is when JavaScript plays detective. It automatically guesses what type you need and makes the change for you. First up, let's look at being the boss: type conversion. Let's set the scene. You're building a shopping site, and a user wants to select a quantity for an item. Here's the crucial part: any input from a text box on a web page arrives in your code as a string. Let's create a variable for the quantity of apples. Go ahead and type this out. Let apple quantity equals to single quote 3 semicolon. Notice apple quantity holds the string 3, which is very different from the number 3. Now, if the user clicks a button to add one more apple, what happens when we try this? See, I write console.log inside the parentheses apple quantity plus 1 semicolon. And if I run this, look at this. The result is string 31, not 4. That's definitely not what we wanted. This is because when the plus operator sees a string, it just smashes the values together. It's called concatenation. To perform real math, we must first convert that string into a proper number. The tool for the job is the number function. Let's give it another shot. So, let numeric apple quantity equals to. Now I want to use a built-in function which JavaScript provides for us. Number with capital N. And inside the parentheses, you write apple quantity semicolon. In future, we will get familiar with functions, but for now, please accept it from me. Next, console.log numeric apple quantity plus 1 semicolon. And if I run this, yeah, the console now correctly shows 4. We took control, converted the type, and our calculation works. But what if the input is something that clearly can be a number, like the word 3? What does JavaScript do when we ask it to do the impossible? So I write console.log number function. Inside the parentheses, I write single quote 3. Now if I run this, we get NaN. This means not a number. It's JavaScript's special signal that the numerical operation failed. Now, here's a famous JavaScript quirk. If you check the data type of NaN, what do you think it is? So I write console.log type of NaN. And if I run it, it's number. I know, it's strange. Just think of NaN as a special kind of numerical value that represents an invalid number. Okay, so that was us telling JavaScript what to do. But often, JavaScript tries to guess our intentions. This automatic process is type coercion. A simple rule to remember: When the plus operator is involved, it prefers to treat everything as a strings. Let's build a message for our user. Watch how it handles a mix of strings and numbers. So I write console.log inside the parentheses, single quote, you have, then plus 5 plus single quote again, and write items in your cart, semicolon. Now if I run it, the output is a perfect clean sentence. JavaScript saw the strings and coerced the number 5 into the string 5 for us. However, the other math operations like minus, multiply, and divide do the exact opposite. They will always try to turn values into numbers. Let's use our price and discount strings. So I write let price equals to single quote 99.50 semicolon. Next, let discount equals to single quote 10. And next, console.log price minus discount semicolon. And if I run it, just like magic, it gives us 89.5. The minus sign acted as a signal to JavaScript. It coerced both strings into numbers and then performed the subtraction. Alright, you have the theory. Let's put it to the test with a quick pop quiz to see if you can predict the outcome. Here's the first puzzle. So I write let score equals to string 200 semicolon. Let penalty equals to string 25 semicolon. And let new score equals to score minus penalty semicolon. And console.log new score plus string points semicolon. First, tell me what is new score? What will it be? And what is the final log? Take a second, no rush. Think it through step by step. Did you get it? Let's walk through it. Step 1. Score minus penalty. The minus operator forces number coercion. So new score becomes the number 175. Step 2. 175 plus string points. Now the plus operator sees a string. It coerces the number 175 into string. The final output is the string 175 points. Now if I run it, yeah, that's true. Okay, let's try one more. This one is a classic trick question. I write it console.log 20 minus string 10 plus string 5 semicolon. What do you think? Remember, JavaScript works from left to right. First, 20 minus string 10. The minus sign coerces 10 into a number, and the result is 10. Now our expression is 10 plus string 5. The plus sign sees the string 5 and coerces the number 10 into a string to match. The final result is the string 105. See how the operators change everything? And that, in a nutshell, is the difference between conversion and coercion. Conversion is you, the developer, being in full control, using a function like number. But coercion is JavaScript's automatic, behind the scenes magic, which changes based on the operators you use. Mastering this behavior is a huge step. It will save you from countless headaches and make you a much more confident developer. Awesome work today! And guys, before you leave, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.